In this video, I will show you how to add text with white background on Capcut. After you open the Capcut, now here is my video. So go to this text section. So go to add text and click on this plus button. So now here is my text. So now I'll change the text position. So you can go ahead now and change where you want to type at the text in this option. So after you type in what you want to type, like this. So now I'll position my text to this option. So now you can increase the text size by coming to this option, decrease the text size and increase in this option. So scroll to down and change the color. Click on this section and select the color. So I'll just go ahead and select this green. So then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, here is it now background. Click on this background. So click on this option, color. So go ahead and select the white color for my text. So now here is it now. If you want, you can just click on this option. So now here is it now. I'll add the text with white background on CapCut. And that's it. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe.